So I got this real weird way of wanting to video stuff. Some kind of like my life as a documentary, Ace's life in incredible tiny homes. But I don't know how to do it. So I just grab this phone, turn it on, and let's go. So we're going out here to check on some folks that are putting a dog lot together. They've asked me for a chainsaw. Couldn't find it. Guys put it somewhere locked up in the tools. I haven't checked with them. There's the vehicles. We're going. Let me cut through here, Ace. What do you think, buddy? I don't know if we can get through here. I think we can. All right. Let's go around. Now they're putting it right down by the lake in the prairie. We've turned it into a lake. It is no longer a pond, is it, Ace? Man, he loves this stuff. All right, can we go through here, buddy? All right, we're gonna turn this. Right here. Is everybody working way back there? Let's see if they need everything. So it's hard for me to keep this camera going, but I'm gonna do my best. I think it'd be cool, you guys. Look, somebody got my bicycle. How my bike get down here, Ace? You ready? Come on. Oh, I hear a chainsaw. This is a dog lot. Isn't this cool? Oh yeah, man. Man, this pond's huge. All right, here's their door. Dog lot into the trees underneath there. The dogs will run. I'm gonna walk down here and see if they need anything. And yeah, you know what? I could drive my Jeep, my truck down there. Let me move this wheelbarrow a little bit. All right, move that. I can take this truck right down along the side. I can throw some tools to them. All right, Ace, you hang in there, buddy. You follow me. In my truck, I've got to put a new, oh good, it started. I need a new negative bleed on my battery. All right, let's go here. Honey, what did they call them? Look, my door's open. Here, now there's the pond. Look at this. Yeah, we're still digging out. Yep. Let's see what we got here. There's Harry. Ah, there's Amy. Look at them guys. Oh my God, man, the pond is filling up. Look at that beautiful water. Oh, whoa. I haven't been out here in days. That is cool.
Okay.
What in the world's going on, Nina? Yeah.
We're building a park.
You sure are. It looks beautiful, man. Wow. Looking under those trees.
I know.
Oh man, it looks great. Don't you? I'll get you all day long. I've got you on camera already. Hey, Harry. Man, Harry, that looks good under there, buddy.
Yeah?
Yeah, the dogs will get shaded and all that stuff, you know?
Oh, it looks good. Look at that. It's a football field.
Yeah. Oh,
Whole football field.
it's every bit of what?
Yeah.
How many hundred?
300
Is it 300 feet? 300 feet long. Wow.
Thinking it is.
Well, the mayor come here to check us out, make sure we're doing everything right.
The code here, yeah.
Yeah, up to code. He's going to check all your stability measurements and your.
Straight line with these
I love that straight line. Look at that.
We'll get the level off.
That is perfect.
We just put the posts where the holes were, and that's
That's all you needed to do. That's beautiful. I love it.
looks good.
Oh, man.
I love the cedar posts.
Yeah. And now the only entrance is down that way, right? At the other end?
Yeah.
Okay.
So far, that's all we come up with.
Beautiful. Oh, look at this. This lake is huge. It goes all the way around. Now that's an island. So I plan on thinking, I don't know what I'm gonna do there, but we've made it big around here so it doesn't erode out. I'm gonna put a structure or something. I may even put a tower with a tiny home on top of it so everybody can go up there and lookout over Tiny Town. But this Christmas or New Year's, I'm hoping to put a Christmas tree on there and blow up our Christmas tree on the island. It probably won't be full of water, but that'll be fine. That'd be a good place out of the way right here. Aw, Ace, look at that water, how clear. It's spring fed. The guys said when they were digging, they had actually there's slow trickle. Look how clear that water is. It was about 3 or 4 different little popping springs, and we've been in a drought, so that's a good sign. All right, so they're cutting trees. What are they doing in there? You never know. There's Amy. There's Harry. That guy in a chainsaw. He doesn't look right. He's not right in the head. Look at him. That's why they gave him a saw. All right, so not gonna follow me. They keep following the guy in the chainsaw. I don't know what that means.
I wouldn't be walking in front of him though.
No. You're gonna top them all. Looks like they're just kind of cleaning up.
Just doesn't stop when we get going.
Look at Amy. There, and even got a tree. I'm assuming they're gonna cut it. That's cool. So ITH provided all the materials, and the community provided the labor. Underneath there, and then we'll plant some grass. Looks really nice. And then there's the railroad tracks beyond there. Yeah, man, got nice shade.
It'd be an open area like this, and I didn't realize you guys cleaned up a little bit next year.
Yeah, they cleaned it up well.
Looks like a park.
Well, there you have it. This is the first dog lot of Tiny Town. And it's right next to the Caribbean. Isn't it something? This is like, we got to name this. It's not a lake. It's going to be an ocean.
Like a name for everything.
It's going to be a sea, like the Black Sea. This is going to be the Incredible Sea. That is, oh my gosh. I don't want to tell you how much that's cost me.
I don't want you to tell me.
Wow, man. I'm talking, but we needed the dirt to build roads and lots, and so it helped out.
Are you still digging or just filling in here?
Oh no, we're still digging. We got a lot more dirt to bring in back behind the building and build that up. It's perfect, beautiful. And there's the Prairie community. And there's a house that I'm gonna show you guys later today. There it is right there, right behind that Incredibox. That is one of our new models, an 8-foot wide model. I wanna show you guys that thing. It is gorgeous. All right.
These two there, and we need one more up there, right? I think we were one short up in the
Oh,
front.
sure, you need a hiking partner.
He needs a hiking.
Hey, what happened to your britches there, buddy?
I pay good money for these. These
My-
cost $300.
I bet you, yeah, you're styling, man. Look at you.
This is from when I used to be a working man.
That's right. We didn't get a snapshot. You're the Marlboro guy, buddy.
Been a while ago.
Short ass jeans.
Damn.
You can make a pair of those with that chainsaw.
Yeah, right.
Wow. So you guys almost done? What's going on?
Well, we got to attach these to the bottom railings of the dog.
Oh, these logs. I got you. So that's what you all are doing is piecing logs between them.
U-hooks, I guess, to attach this.
Yeah.
Bottom on the outside.
Okay, so dogs can't dig underneath?
Yeah, yeah. And
That'd be nice.
and patch up the hole that we got back here.
Oh, along the chain link fence on the railroad? Okay.
And then Brian, I guess, is going to build the gate down there. And then
Oh, good.
That's it. We're going to get a garbage can.
Nice.
Some bags and benches and.
We need to get some grass in here, don't we? Yeah.
Would it take, you think?
I don't know in the winter. Sometimes a winter wheat will, you know. I don't know. I don't know much about all that
That'd
stuff.
be great, but because it's going to be really muddy when it rains.
Yeah.
But Probably a little gravel at the entry too. But we can throw them in the lake when they finish running. And
Throw them in there. That's right. Well, this is the first dog lot. I love it. It's got shaded. It's got grass.
Yeah.
It's big. You can get a good full tilt sprint out here.
it's back here away from everything.
Oh, I had
so.
3 dogs in here yesterday.
Wow, you can let your
Loving
you can bring your dog over here.
it. Oh, yeah.
Let him go.
I took him to the mountain this morning.
Did
He
ya?
took off through the woods. He was gone for like 3 minutes,
Yeah.
but it seemed like an eternity
Yeah.
to me.
Right. Right.
And I didn't hear leaves rustling. And then finally he just showed up. But it was just like,
Did you
I can't lose him a day before we get the dog park open.
did you hook him then, or did you let him keep running
I
like
let
that?
him keep running until we got about halfway back down the mountain.
Yeah.
But he's got a really favorite mud hole over there. And
He did too. He would lay down in it. Yep. Same
he-
thing.
So when I get close, before we get to that mud hole, I hook him up. So
So that's good. You're letting him run like that. Maybe that'll calm
that's
him
what he
down.
needs. That's
Yeah.
what he needs. But he just hasn't had that. That's why I wanted this so bad, just to, because he
Yeah.
loves to run.
Good.
He's just like Ace.
Yeah.
You know, that makes him so happy to
Yep.
do that.
And then when he does it, he'll calm down and
Oh, yeah.
take a break.
Yeah. He's wonderful once he gets calmed down.
Really?
He's like-
Okay.
He needs that running. And plus, he's still a puppy. He's only 9 months old.
Yeah.
Was that breed, you know, was it like a hunting dog or?
Oh yeah, it's a bird
Hunting
dog.
dog or
Yeah.
bird dog?
Bird dog. You got to run them at least an hour a day. Hard. You know.
Yeah.
You got to run them.
Yeah.
They're
that's
made
what
for that.
That's why Charlie is so hyper and jumps and twitches and twirls and does cartwheels and because he's got all this energy.
Oh, you just want to live, man.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, and I want him to.
Yeah.
I want him to.
Well, you
but-
go over to the mountain anytime you want.
Well,
And that's the mountain right there.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome. Yeah, there's miles of roads over there.
I know.
You know.
Get over there next week, but it's dries up.
But there has been there was a Great Dane over there that chased us one day. He
At the
wasn't-
mountain?
Yeah, a Great Dane came out
Kidding.
from the top up there where the lines are.
Really?
Just out of nowhere, a Great Dane. Of course, he wasn't aggressive. He was just growling, and you know the dogs were like, "Oh, what's this?" Because he's huge.
I have never seen another dog
Great
over there.
Dane. And then there was a pack of dogs one day, which that concerned me more than the Great Dane because you know
Yeah.
when you get in a pack, you don't know what
Right.
they're capable of doing. So,
Right, right.
Anyway.
They get aggressive when they get together.
Yeah, absolutely. So Charlie took off. You know, just hello.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you got this dog lot now.
I know.
God, this is
I
cool.
know. It will be well used. We'll be here every day, probably.
That's right.
Yeah. So thank you, Randy, for allowing.
Oh
me
man,
to
thank you guys.
just get it done.
We're all just trying to do it together. I think it's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And thank you, Mayor, for passing the inspection.
Yeah,
Mayor of Malibu.
I'll put a sticker on it tomorrow, probably.
Yeah,
Regular business hours.
certificate of occupancy. Gosh,
Approval.
Well, we can't open it yet because we still got to.
This is cool.
We
All right.
want the little dogs being able to get.